Hey guys, we have been together for some time, so you know how it works. Let's have a conversation together. Please answer my questions now. Who is the provider of the internet in your area? Can you consider joining a language exchange program to improve your English skills? What is the size of your shoes? In what situations can the police arrest someone? Do you usually carry a shoulder bag to your school? What do you find interesting in the world history? How do you feel when you receive a compliment from someone? Have you been a patient in a hospital recently? Have you ever been to a church? Do you have any favorite theater performance? And now write down what you hear. Please add 2 eggs to the recipe. The poor cat looks hungry. Give it some milk. Don't forget to take a picture of your family at the park. Compare the prices before you buy anything online. Can you tell the difference between these 2 colors? And now try to translate what you hear. The cat is in the garden behind the house. Studying hard can lead to a good result in your tests. I saw a happy couple walking in the park holding hands. We will land at the airport in about 2 hours. Can you give me the exact time of the meeting? Please have a seat in the chair in the waiting room. It will probably rain later, so bring an umbrella. The car is in perfect condition after the recent service. My brother is a talented soccer player. He plays for the local team. The flowers in the garden look so natural. And now, create your own sentences from 5 words that you can hear now. Drop, former, drugstore, pool, term. Thank you. That's all for today. Bye-bye.